And today's video is one of the most important yet often overlooked part of the kitchen design, that is the kitchen backsplash tiles. A backsplash is not just about protecting your walls, it plays a major role in enhance the beauty and functionality of your kitchen. In this video, I will cover what is kitchen backsplash and its importance in modern homes, different types of backsplash tile ideas, the price range in India, advantages and buying tips. So make sure watch this video till end. What is a kitchen backsplash? A kitchen backsplash is a wall area between your countertop and upper cabinets. It protects the walls from water splashes, oil stains and heat damage. At the same time, it's added to the style and personality to your kitchen. Importance of kitchen backsplash: protect your kitchen walls. It prevents stain and moisture and grease from the damaging your walls and enhance the aesthetic appeal. A well-designed backsplash can completely transform your kitchen look. Easy to clean. These tiles can be much easier to clean compared to the painted walls. Increase the property value. Modern kitchen tiles with a stylish backsplash attract to the buyers. Define the kitchen styles. Backsplashes are the set tone, modern and traditional or luxury. Advantages of backsplash tiles: durable and long lasting, heat and moisture resistant, available in various designs and colors, low maintenance, budget friendly to the premium options available, suitable for all kinds of kitchen sizes. Popular backsplash tiles ideas: ceramic tiles, most common and affordable, available in many designs. The price will be 30 rupees per square feet. Subway tiles, the classic and timeless look. These are perfect for modern kitchens. The price will be 50 rupees per square feet. Glass tiles, these are the glossy and premium finish, reflect the light and brightness of space. The price will be 150 rupees per square feet. Mosaic tiles, small tiles arrange the patterns. These are great for decorative designs. The price will be 200 rupees per square feet. Marble tiles, luxury and elegant look, natural stone finish. The price will be 250 rupees per square feet. Peel and stick tiles, these are budget friendly option. Price will be 80 rupees per square feet. 3D texture tiles, modern and unique designs added to the depth of the wall. The price will be 150 rupees per square feet. Price factors in India. The cost of backsplash tiles depends on the material type, brand and quality, design and finish, installation charges, location prices may be vary cities like Mumbai and Bangalore. Important tips before buying: choose the stain resistant tiles, prefer glossy or semi-gloss finish or easy cleaning, match the tiles with kitchen cabinets and countertop, check durability and heat resistance, don't overcrowd with the too many patterns. Always calculate extra tiles 5 to 10% is the more.